Welcome back to Thunkable. Ready to build your 7th intermediate app? In this tutorial, we are going to make an artificial intelligence app with image recognition. You will be able to take a picture and have a description of that picture generated by an image recognition component. That's going to be fun. Let's call this app intermediate app 7 banana, not banana. This is a bit of a strange name, but it will make a lot of sense at the end of the video. To get started, drag and drop the following items onto the screen. We're going to get a button. Come over here, you rascal button. Next, we're going to get an image component. Over here. Next, we need our good friend, the label. So let's go get a label. And under the artificial intelligence section, an image recognizer component. Image recognizer. Great, fantastic work. And before we block it out, let's select image over here. And let's select scale picture to fit. So this is going to scale the picture on your screen. On the left-hand side, let's go to the media section. And we're going to select a camera component and drag and drop the camera component onto the screen. Nice. We're all set. Time to block it out. So this app will take a picture and it's going to tell us what's in the picture. So this will all start with a button. And when we click the button, we want it to call the camera to take a picture. So let's type in when button1.click. When button1.click. Everybody got that? Yes, good. So now there we go. That's the block. And next, let's go into the block options for the camera. And we want to get the call camera1.takePicture block. Great. Go ahead and thunk that in. Next, we need to tell the camera to do something after it has the picture. So let's type in when camera1 after take picture. There we go. That's the block we want. So what should the camera do after it takes the picture? After the camera has the picture, it needs to call the image recognizer. And it's going to be like, hey, image recognizer, can you tell us what's in the picture? And the image recognizer is going to be like, yeah, I can do that. Yeah, great. So let's go into the block options for image recognizer and get a call image recognizer 1.postImage path block. Great. You see that? Go ahead and put that in. And what image will this block use? Well, it's very simple. This block is going to use the image that the camera takes. And that image is available right over here. So go ahead and thunk that in. Great work. We also need to tell the app that after the camera gets the picture, it should set the image to the image component. So let's type in set image1. Oh, hey, there we are. Then we can select the set image1.picture block and go ahead and thunk that in. And then this component will also use the get image block. So we can just get another one from the camera block and thunk that in as well over here. Now that we've told the image recognizer to analyze the image, we need it to send the results to the label. And that's where the description is going to be displayed. So in the block options of image recognizer, you will find the when image recognizer 1.gotResponse_do block. Go ahead and drag and drop it to the bottom of your blocks. Next, we just want it to set the text of the label. So I want to show you a cool trick. We want the set label1.text2 block, but we can actually grab any set label block. So let's just grab this one over here. Go ahead and thunk that in. And we can just change on the block what the block is going to do. And we just click here and it gives us a full list of options. So select text and go ahead and thunk that right in. Brilliant work. And what are we going to set the text of the label to? Well, we're just going to set it to the image recognizer's description. So go to description right over here and get the get description block and thunk it right in. Fantastic. Let's test this app out. Terrific work! And this was the first time that we made an app with artificial intelligence. But there's another really funny thing that we can do. I don't know how many of you watch the show Silicon Valley on HBO, but there's a character who creates an app on the show called Hot Dog, Not Hot Dog. And basically what this app does is it can take a picture and tell you if the thing that you're taking a picture of is a hot dog or not a hot dog. It's a very, very useful, inspiring app. Now, they actually built this app in real life, and they use the software languages TensorFlow and Keras and React Native. And I don't know how long it took them to build this app in real life or how much money it cost, but what if I told you that you could build the same app in the next 4 minutes for free? We just need to make a few small adjustments. This app won't be about hot dogs. It's going to be about bananas. Again, if you remember, the name of this app had something to do with bananas. Now it makes sense. So first, let's grab an if-then block. So type in if-then, that pops up. So basically, we are going to tell the app, if you take a picture of something and the description has the word banana in the description, set the text of the label to the word banana. But if the image recognizer description doesn't have the word banana, set the text of the label to not banana. So first, let's plug in this if-then block. So we want this to say if the image recognizer description of your picture has the word banana in it. Remember when we were making that app about changing screens and it had something to do with dinosaurs and milkshakes? Well, when we were changing screens, you needed to type the exact screen name when you're creating a new screen. That's because in programming, if you write screen 1 with a capital S, that's different from screen 1 with a lowercase s. So to make sure that we can analyze the words from your image recognizer, we are going to set every letter to lowercase. And that's really easy to do. Otherwise, if you get some that are lowercase, some that are uppercase, it's not going to know what's going on. So go to the text options over here. And we are going to drop this contains text block. Have you found it? Great. Thunk that into the if block and go back to the text block options. And we are going to pull out this uppercase block over here. Have you found it? Very good. And thunk that into the opening. And now we can just select downcase from the drop-down menu. And this will set all of our text to lowercase. So it's not going to look like this banana with a capital B. It will be this banana with a lowercase b. And in the opening over here, we are going to get the get description block from the image recognizer. So go ahead and thunk that right in. Great. Now let's get a blank text block. So just type in text and thunk it over here. And we can write in the word banana. So this says, get a description and make the entire description lowercase. And if that description has the word banana, then what do we want to do? We want to set the label's text to banana. So let's just copy and paste a set label1.text2 block from over here, thunk it in. And let's also copy and paste this banana text block and thunk it in over here. But what if we take a picture and it has nothing to do with bananas? And again, if that happens, we want to tell the label to set the text to not banana. So we need to add in an else statement, remember? So just click on this thing over here. We can get an else and plug it in. And now we can just copy and paste this set label combination and thunk it right into the opening where it says else. And we're just going to change the text where it says banana. We're just going to write not banana. So again, let's quickly go over this combination. You're going to push the button. The button tells the camera to take a picture. And next, after the camera takes a picture, it tells the image recognizer to get a description of what's in the picture. We then set that description to lowercase. And if the description contains the word banana, we set the text of the label to banana. Else, we set the label's text to not banana. See you next time, and thanks for thunking!